Welcome friends. Now we are going to learn how to install Keil µVision, which is basic software which is need to run the ASM program, which is assembly language program, which we have used in 8051 microcontroller. First, simply download the exe file from Keil µVision official website. Then click on it. Click on yes. Just read the setup program installation. Read the license agreement if you have enough time. Click on next. This is your destination folder where your all data of Keil µVision file is going to store. Just fill your basic details. Or company name, you can write your college name, email ID. Okay, just click on next. Installation will start. It will take few seconds. Few seconds according to your PC configuration. It will vary. Whatever, if you want to check it, then check. If you want to release nodes, return currently version configuration or any examples, then check it. I will suggest you to uncheck it, then click on finish. Now you can see over there, here is a Keil µVision, which is desktop. Shortcut is created on desktop. Simply click on it. It will open. Now let's close it. I will give one tip for that. If after this, if you have ever opened it, there will be a recent project or whatever there is, you have to close it. So now let's start from beginning. Click on new µVision project. I will suggest you to make a new file, because every time whenever we have used to program a ASM program, it will create number of folders in it. That's why click on new folder. Give name to your practical. I will give PR1. Don't disturb this ASM, this extension file. Just simply save it. Now here is important part. You have to choose which IC you are going to use. I will suggest you to use AT89C51, which is Atmel IC. This is also 8051 equivalent IC. It is going to easy. Just don't panic after seeing this 24 MHz. We are going to change it. I will show you how to it. Click on OK. Click no on startup project. So now click on this plus icon over here. Click on source group. Just right click on it. Sorry, first of all you have to click on this. So now you have to save it with .asm extension. I will suggest you to give same name whatever you have given to your main file. Let's PR1.asm. Okay, save it. Now you can look over there. Here is a white logo. There is nothing in it. Now notice the change. Right click on source group. Add existing files to source group. Don't click on add new item to source group. Sometime you have go to this, because you have already created this. So add existing files to source group 1. Now don't be panic if you haven't seen whatever your file is not here. Just click on the C source file over there. You have to click in ASM source file. Your file is over there. Click on it. Click on add. So now you can notice it was not blank. There is some dot particle. You have seen it. Click close it. Now you have to click on target folder. Option for target. Now as you know, 8051 standard IC has crystal frequency of 11.0592. So right here 11.0592 megahertz is given over there. Click on output. Now we all know, while debugging the program in 8051 IC, we have to need hex file for debugging the program in IC. So create hex file. Check on red hex file. Click on debug option. Check on limit speed to real time. Then click on OK. Now you are ready to type your program. I will simply type the program of addition. Comment out. Add ALP short form of assembly language programming. Okay. ORG 00H. I will suggest you while typing the program you have to zoom it to get better view. For zoom, click on control and then scroll it up. Click on move. As it is not an case sensitive, you will either use was any capital state or small is on your. Move the content of V register hashtag 04. Now we will add the content of accumulator and B register, then end it. So now first step you have to translate it, that is compile it. If there is any error, it will show over here viewed output. So in our practical there is 0 errors, 0 warning. If there is error any here, for example if we cut it will show you like this, 1 error, 1 warning. If you simply click on the above statement, it will show you wherever it is error, it will directly direct you. So this arrow will show the location of error. Let's clear. Sorry. Okay, now it is okay. Then translate 0 error, 0 warning. Click on build option. Click on rebuild option. Now click on debug option. Okay. Now you have 3 options. First, go step by step. You will know wherever your data is going to store, how program is going to debug. Or you will directly go to the step over, which is over there. I will suggest you to go step by step, or run, which will directly give you output. Okay, now I will suggest you to go step by step. Let's reset it. Okay, so click on step 1, which will move the 05H in accumulator, which is done. Move the 04 into B register, which is done over here. Add the content of accumulator and B register. Okay, it is done. So as you all know, whenever we add anything, it will store in the accumulator, which is here 5 plus 4, which is 9. End. Now you have asked one question over there, why we haven't write H over there. We have to write H over there, but even we have don't write H, there was no error, just because H is known for hexadecimal value, and 4 and 5 both are under the hexadecimal value, because in hexadecimal there is a value from 0 to 9. So if you have written any number between 0 to 9 without H, it will consider as a hexadecimal value. If you exit it as 10 only, then it can't consider as a hexadecimal value. So you have to write H everywhere. I will suggest you to write H everywhere, even it is smaller number or bigger number. Okay, stop the debugging. So guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today. We'll meet in our next session.